Ever feel stuck on your journey in health and/or weight loss? I sure did until I began using myself as a guinea pig. I kid you not. And I discovered that when we help one area in all the right ways, the rest of the body benefit. Thanks to my birth defect of Ehlers-Danlos syndrome, I could have been a doctor. A lifetime of trial and error remedies on myself and others went into this compilation. Ready or not, this video can help you look and feel your best without dieting. What started as a simple question on Quora evolved into a treasure trove of over 40 weight loss hacks. One tip was so unconventional it got flagged before Quora took it down. The information was too valuable to lose, so I turned it into the ultimate weight loss guide. Why wait for a new year special event to look and feel your best? And certainly don't wait for something to go wrong to take yourself seriously. Discover how easy weight loss can be without dieting. With a few hacks and some outside-the-box thinking, you can achieve lasting results in weight and appearance. As a detox mentor with decades of experience, I've seen what works. And it's not just detox or any type of fasting. It's about a holistic approach to health, which then has the trickle effect of transforming your body, mind, heart, and soul. Say goodbye to fad diets and hello to sustainable lifestyle changes. The Ultimate Weight Loss Guide helps you make healthier choices and create habits that stick, including massive amounts of self-respect to boot. Monitor your weight, measurements, and milestones to celebrate your achievements. This guide includes pages to journal your journey, complete with motivational quotes to keep you on track. Transform your mindset, overcome self-sabotage, and stay motivated with expert tips and a slew of quotes to inspire you along the way. Included are additional tidbits of useful information, the good, bad, and ugly of what to expect, like benefits and side effects. I even include the waiver I gave my clients so you know what to expect on your journey. Don't let another day go by without taking control of your health. Isn't it time you say hello to a happier, healthier you for life? Information in the description. Got questions? Please ask.